guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Beauteque Monthly Beauty Box versus Beauteque Monthly Mask Maven. This is for November. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my November boxes just arrived, and I always tell you guys that they ship at the very end of the month. So sometimes you might receive it within a day or two in the same month, but most of the time you receive it within the first week of the following month. So here are my two for November, and let's go ahead and go in with the Mask Maven first. And let's see, this time they actually shipped them in the same box, so I didn't get a mailing label or anything on them. They were just in one box, so that's kind of cool. So I didn't have to like wait for one versus the other. So when you open this one up, they always stick them in this little cute bag, and then they always have their card. Now the Mask Maven doesn't go over pricing for the masks, but the Beauteque Beauty Box does. So this just basically goes over all of the different masks that are inside and why they chose them. This month is called Moisturizing Matters Mask Maven, November 2019. As cold weather is approaching, it's important to moisturize. And no, I didn't just repeat it 3 times. It's there 3 times. So here are all of the different masks that are in this month and going over them. The first one is a collagen and gold hydrogel eye patch. So there's a 2-piece eye patch. Now, most of the time you get sheet masks, but they do tend to put in other ones, which I do appreciate when they do. So then now we have is a Real Nature mask sheet in avocado. And that is a sheet mask. The rest of these probably are. Here is a shea butter. And this is Damask Rose. Ooh. So this one's gonna go in a giveaway. Because if it smells like rose, I am not gonna want it anywhere near my face because it gives me a headache. But there's that one. Then we have a Water Luminous SOS Ampule Hyaluronic Mask Black. And it looks like it is black from the picture. So there's that mask. Then we have an Aqua Moisture Cream Mask, moisturizing, cooling, and soothing. And I believe we've received this one before, and I actually really liked it. So I'm glad to now have another one. Then we have a Black Gold Flakes Moisture. They're definitely giving us the moisture this time, you guys. Then we have Joyful Time Essence Mask Pomegranate for vitality and firming. So there's a pomegranate mask. And then the last one is Joyful Time Essence Mask Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing and Moisture. Moisturizing and moisture. Isn't that the same thing? I don't know, but there's that one. So there are all of the sheet masks that we got. So that is everything for Mask Maven. Now let's go ahead and get into the beauty box. So, is there still a seal? Yep, there is a seal. Okay, so let's open her up. And thanks for subscribing. I must have, that's right, I did renew because I was up on my Beauteque Monthly. I was like, no! So I did renew, so I got this little gift for renewing. I'll show you that in a second. Then here is the same Moisturizing Matters. This one goes over the items and the pricing, so I do appreciate that. Then when you open her up, the sticker says Moisturizing Matters as well. And once you rip that open, there's what the contents inside look like. So let's get a little more in-depth look at what's going on in here. And this has got to be the cutest packaging I got from them before, something that looks like this, but maybe 5 or 6 times bigger. And it was a face-like mask. And this is now a lip balm, and it looks just like it. It's so cute. Okay, so here's the I'm gonna remove this box so you can get the real glimpse of what it looks like. But this is an Apple Soft Lip Balm. It retails for $8. Why we love it, moisture matters. Everyone even your lips. Give dry, cracked lips some soothing moisture with this lip balm. It has vitamin C and E. Whoa, the top fell off. And it's apple extracts which provide nourishment to your lips and leaves it smooth and subtle. How to use? Apply it to your lips. I don't need to keep reading that one. So look, this looks just like my full size, but in a small version. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so let's get her open. And I did get a little fingerprint in there because when I opened it up and the top fell off, my hand hit the top trying to hold it, so this didn't fall too. So I do have a little smudge in there, but it's my own. So let's see here. I was hoping it would smell like apple. It is kind of like a red tint to it. I have a little lip gloss on currently, so this will probably give you like a little color. It says apple extracts make the lip balm look, taste, and smell amazing. I'll taste it. It doesn't taste amazing. It doesn't taste like anything that I'm getting anyway. No, I don't taste anything. So maybe it looks amazing, but I would leave that taste part out. So there's that. That is just the cutest thing. And that's $8, you guys. Okay, so now we have something in this little white bag. What is this? Oh, how cute. And I've seen these and I don't have one, and now I do. This tool was designed to generate blood flow in the face and relieve tension of muscles, perfect to combat both wrinkles and acne. It reduces inflammation in the face. This tool is about to become an everyday staple in your skincare routine. What? How to use? Hold the tool with the curved side to your face and gently glide it up and down, starting with the neck, jawline, chin, and around the mouth. Hold the tool with the curved side to your face. Are they calling this the curved side? This the curved, like what's the curved side? This side is your face, so maybe you hold it like this. Maybe you do it this way. I mean, it kind of fits your face that way. I'm gonna have to look into this a little more, see if they have pictures online or something, but this value is for $8 and it's a jade stone and it's made to help your face. So there it is again, the whole entire thing. And again, I've seen these and I've never had one, and now I do. I would think you would hold it like this because this kind of feels right in my hand. I don't know, but we'll see. Next we have is a body cream, Mediflower Shea Butter 30% body cream. This guy retails for $10. It's all about the shea butter, baby. Known for its healing and restoring. How am I trying to open a box without looking? And restoring properties, shea butter is the perfect staple for everyday body care. Your elbows, knees, and feet. I wanted to say elbows, knees, and toes, Your elbows, knees, and feet are major zones for excessive dryness. This body cream is formulated to target those areas and restore moisture and elasticity. Use 2 fingers to scoop generous amount of cream. Apply in dollops. Well, they do give you this, so I guess you could use this or your fingers. Apply in dollops on skin area. Ooh, it's thick. That's what she said. Rub the body cream in gently in circular motions. Apply after a hot shower when your pores are open for maximum absorption. And that is thick. It kind of just smells like, it has a nice little kind of like fresh scent, but it kind of smells like a lotion, like a standard lotion would smell. But that is definitely a thick lotion. So there we have it. So this is good for your extra dry spots, like your head, shoulders, knees, and toes. Like your feet, your elbows, your knees. Ooh, that feels so good. That feels, and I always say things feel good, but this feels extra good. Like I can tell a huge difference that this feels amazing. So All right, I can't wait to start using this in places because holy moly, that is some softness right there. And again, that values for $10. So we have 3 more items left in here. The next item is Maven, only one eye cream for face. So now we have another one we got was an eye cream for the face. So I'm like, then why don't they just call it a face cream? Why is it gonna be an eye cream for the face? But soothe, gliding, and tightening, plumping, only one eye cream for face. So there's the packaging on that. This retails for $17. Why we love it: let your eyes go back in time. This eye cream is perfect for restoring elasticity to delicate skin around the eyes and other areas, including your forehead and neck. It also provides intense moisturizing benefits to your skin. Apply to the tip of your finger. Take a small amount of the product and gently massage into the under eye area. You can use it on your forehead, neck, or smile line area. So it's basically designed for your eyes, but you can use it in other areas as well. So here's the packaging out of the box. There's a little dabble, do ya? I just want to see if there's like a scent. Hopefully not, because when things are on my face, I tend to not want scented things. I don't really smell anything at all. No. So there we have it. Now we have an eye, smile line, forehead, just a face cream, basically an eye and face cream is what I'm going to call it, because that's basically what it is. And that's for $17. All right. So next we have is this Farm Stay Dr. V8 Solution Hyaluronic Acid Cream. Whitening, wrinkle improvement cosmetics. So there's that guy. This is $20. This cream features the ingredient hyaluronic acid, which hydrates your skin and protects it from the dry environment. This moisturizer does not leave behind a sticky residue. Instead, it creates a refreshing finish to a smooth complexion. How to use: gently apply a pea-sized amount of product onto your face. Ooh, that's a pretty package. I like the blue. Pressing gently into the skin to help absorption. Star or tip ingredient: place it in the fridge before use for a cooling effect on the skin. And that is why they now have those little skincare refrigerators. But I mean, I have enough room in my refrigerator. I can dedicate a whole drawer if I wanted to, but I always forget to put them in the refrigerator. And one night I remembered to put a face mask in. I took a shower, did my thing, cleansed, toned. Then I was like, oh yeah, I got it in the fridge, and it felt so good going on being cold. So now I see why. So I'm gonna start just leaving a few in there. It doesn't really have a scent to it, but it looks like a normal like face cream. But I guess it has some hyaluronic acid, which is supposed to be really good and moisturizing for your face. So everything this month is all based on moisturizing. So moisture, moisture, moisture. That is what they're pumping into our skins right now. With the change of weather, I've noticed my skin is becoming really dry in general, not just my eyes that I've been complaining about, but just even like my arms and my hands. I just see the difference in the weather change because it finally got a little cool here, but it's going back hot again next week. So the last item in here is our mask. We always get one type of mask in this box. Sometimes it could be a face mask, it could be a hair mask, a foot mask, a hand mask. It could be any type of a mask, but you always do get one. This time it's a 3-step. And 1, 2, 3. You have the, it looks like nose strip up here. I'm not sure what the second step is. Let me see. So here's this guy, and this says this is for $4. Strawberry 3-step nose pack. So it's all for your nose. Why we love it: sometimes one step just isn't enough. This 3-step blackhead removing strip removes deep blocking follicles, leaving pores clean and smooth. Perfect for maintaining blackhead-free skin at home in between facials. This pack takes you step by step to remove dead skin cells and lock in moisture for beautiful blackhead-free skin. Star ingredient: the strawberry extracts in this product are packed with antioxidants and vital nutrients to help keep future blackheads at bay. So that is everything that came in the beauty box. So we have this 3-step nose mask. We have the face cream with hyaluronic acid. We have this very amazing feeling. Oh my gosh, my skin still feels so silky soft. this body cream. We have the nose. We have the eye and face cream. We have this little guy here for your lips. And we got this guy in the monthly box. And I got my free gift as well. So that is in here and it says, thanks for subscribing. We hope you love your free gift and everything inside of your box. It's on this little card and it's in these little bags. And what I got is, and I have one of these already. So cool. I can just put this in my back stock. So when I'm done with that one, I have a backup. But this is Iceland Hydrating Eye Stick. And it's so cute. If this one is shaped the same, yes. This is so freaking cute. Look it looks like a little polar bear. And it's like a balm. That was not supposed to happen. No way hell was that supposed to happen. So I guess that's how much balm you get in there. Because that was sure as hell not supposed to happen. Can you come out without doing that again? No? You still want to take the whole freaking thing with you. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so it looks kind of like a thick lip balm, like a chapstick, and you roll it up and down. This one was just kind of stuck with it, so I was able to fix it. But this is an eye cream, and you just like use a stick and just put it underneath your eyes, and it makes a nice little cooling effect. And I do like it. I do still have a little bit left of mine. So like I said, I'll just put this in my back stock. So once that one is completely done, I'll just replace it with this one. And so yeah, so this is my free gift for signing up. So that was amazing. So if you guys want to check out Beauteque Monthly, I will have them linked down below. I've been with them for well over a year. So I think it's been over a year and a half because I did 6 months and then I did a complete year and I'm already up. So now I think I just did another six months, I think. So there you go. I really like this box, you guys. That's why I keep bringing it on my channel. That's why I keep buying it and resubscribing to it. And now I'm bringing the Mask Maven to show you both different subscriptions that they offer. If you do not already know, I'll go ahead and let you know the pricing now. The beauty box, okay? The beauty box, you get 6 full-size products and you always get 1 mask, like I said. So you get 1 mask and then 5 full-size products. That is $24 a month if you do month to month. If you do a 6-month subscription, it's $23 a box. If you go to 12 months, then it brings it down to $22 a box. So it's always cheaper the more you prepay for. Shipping is in addition. And the Mask Maven, you get 9 unique hand-picked sheet masks delivered to your door every month. If you do month to month, it's $15 a month. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $14. And if you do the whole 12 months, it brings it to $13 per month, and shipping is in addition as well. If you order by the 15th of the month, you get that same month. So right now, if you were to order, you would be getting December's box up until December 15th. After December 15th, you wouldn't get a box until January, which again, they always ship at the very end of the month. So you wouldn't get that box until the beginning of February. If you order now before December 15th, then you will receive December's box at the very end of December or the first week of January. And again, I will have them linked below. You can check them out for yourself. So that is everything that I have for you. Comment down below. Let me know. Did you like the masks in the Mask Maven? Did you like the products in the beauty box this month? I honestly do. I am really, really happy with this month. I do like all of the nourishing aspects that are in here. That body lotion, my hand is feeling so soft right now, you guys, like so much softer than any other lotion that I can recall. Yeah, so thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. Again, comment down below, let me know what you guys thought about it. Do you get this? Do you want to get this? Have you seen this? Do you like this? Let me know in the comment section down below. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Softer than any other type of lotion that I put on that I can regulate. Regulate? Regulate?